On a leaf so wide and green lives a tiny sassy queen. They call her Kiko, wild and bright, dancing in the morning light. The elders chant a solemn prayer, follow rules and show you care. They bow their heads and sing so low, that is the only way to grow. But the Kiko slides down leafy vines, hands on hips, a little smirk. Your ancient songs just do not work. Then golden leaves begin to fade, a shadow casts a gloomy shade. The elders whisper it's her fault, the world is coming to a halt. But Kiko knows the leaf is sad. She starts a journey brave, not bad, down to the roots so dark and deep, while all the other spirits sleep. No monster, no evil spell, just a rusty can from where humans dwell. She pushes hard with all her might to bring the green and morning light. Is it coming back? The elders see and understand. They lend a wise and helping hand. Together now they break the chain and heal the leaf from all its pain. And on a leaf so wide and green, a tiny, happy, sassy queen. The elders smile, they finally see the truest rule is to be free. A tiny, happy, sassy queen. The elders smile, they finally see the truest rule is to be free.